可来看爸爸阿爸，爸爸不在家。我请客先坐下，先坐下，一杯茶。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run A-Step 1.5 XL Turbo on my 8 gig of VRAM. I've done a video for 1.5 already. You can check out my older video. In my opinion, XL Turbo has improved a lot in quality. So let's go to ComfyUI. Just make sure you update the ComfyUI and go to templates. You should be able to find the X Turbo version. Just search for A-Step, and here, this is the one I have used. Where you can find the model are specified in this markdown node. Just download all of these. I've done this already, and just for a short demonstration, I'm going to trim the lyrics a little bit and make it shorter. Instead of 120, make it just 60. The duration, that's all about it. Just try run it. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look at the time. So 1:29 seconds, that's not too bad. Let's listen to the sound.
Open up the canvas, blank slate on my screen. Drag a checkpoint loader, you know what I mean. Case I'm in the middle, beyond the right. Clear text and code, yeah, I'm building tonight.
Okay, very nice. So basically, in this box, the style was specified. You can try it out and let me know whether you find any improvement in the XL Turbo. I found it sounds a lot better than the previous version. Okay, next, I want to show you my remix workflow, which I have used in my previous tutorial. And now I just updated for the XL Turbo. The main thing I have changed is I use the split files here, diffusion model and dual clip loader and VAE. In the previous version, there was a checkpoint file only. What is happening in this workflow? Basically, I just separate the instrument track from the audio and use that track as a reference and generate a new track, and the vocal will be the original one and merge it at the end to the output file. I also have changed one thing. I reduced the step compared to my previous tutorial. It was using 50, now I changed it to 20. It still sounds really good. So that's a thing I have changed. Let me show you the original track. Okay, that's the original track. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the result of this workflow. And I will also make this workflow available. It's basically the same one as the previous tutorial with the changes of the model loading here. Okay, I think that's all about A-Step 1.5 XL Turbo. You can try that out. It's very easy to download and you can see whether the quality has improved for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.